Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to be making a food plot, Clover food plot, and I'll show you how I do it with minimal amount of tools and minimal amount of work. Just with using a Rototiller, a rake, got some seed, and I got a spreader. And today I'll show you how I make a food plot. Here's the before shot. I'm going to flip this over, we're going to plant some clover. Now that I flipped over the plot of soil, just going to rake it out now and make it a little even. Alright, now I'm going to spread the seed. I got my spreader here. We're going to spread it and now the last thing I'm going to do is just lightly cover the seed so it can germinate.
How are you doing?
And all we need is good rain and this pot will be growing. Now the food plot is complete. Check back in a few weeks, see when it germinates. Here's a look at the plot 3 weeks later. Clover's starting to sprout up. It's been pretty dry, so it's taking a little longer. Now here's the plot a month later. To the right is clover from last year. To the left is the new clover I just planted.